All right, WMC, here is the video to find the winner of my winner's choice with the JJ Watt, 2 watts in there. We'll check the time here, May 17th at 10:41 p.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have May 17th at 10:41 p.m. There's the list of our 20 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. And it is Shane. Spot 12 is your winner. So, Shane, please get with me to make your pick. There is our verification code, our timestamp. Once again, May 17th at 10:42 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.